Skills which matter are skills which money cannot buy. These are skills human beings are born with. These skills are used by human beings to survive and thrive. It is also true that you lose what you do not use. These skills cannot be taken for granted. These skills are needed as long as human beings aspire growth. Welcome to Skills Which Matter. Today, let us explore focus. Focus is the action to pay attention. When the action of paying attention is done well, focus becomes a skill. Focus is an important attribute of functional people, irrespective of their profession. Focus is a skill which money cannot buy. Lack of focus automatically reduces your ability to concentrate, to think clearly, and to perceive. The quality of your life degrades. Let us do a simple activity. Take a ruled paper. You will need a good pen or a sharpened pencil. Draw vertical lines as shown. The diagram shown is a depiction. How many lines can you draw before your mind and body refuses to focus any further? Don't be disheartened if you could not do it well. Repeat the activity every day or at a regular frequency, and you will realize your ability to focus improves with practice. An activity which needs you to focus should be part of your fitness regime. There are many simple ways to practice focus, like reading, meditation, doodling, etc. Also, you can design your own activity. Anything that needs you to do a certain process in a repeated manner will help you practice focus. Do share with us your methods. Good focus will help you acquire many other skills which are relevant to the current time. Focus is a skill which one must never lose.